Now's the time to decide. It's time to start choosing who you want to be and what you want to be known for, because now what you do in the next 12 months will be your reputation. What kind of reputation will that be? Is it the one you want? And are you walking your talk? Just have a little look at this short video of Scott Lawson, the boxer, and see how he turned it around just by changing his behaviour.
The biggest mistake people make is they try too hard. Sometimes some people try too hard to do something, right, and they don't let themselves get where they should be getting because they put too much pressure on themselves. Sometimes you're better enjoying it. You gotta enjoy it.
Enjoy the journey.
You're more likely to get where you want to go. So I copy off the guy next to me, and his answers were wrong. I picked the wrong people to copy off. So yeah.
And he just went, what it is they're trying to do. What's the one bit of advice that Scott Lawson would say? Have a go.
Enjoy it, try it, don't be scared to fail. Don't
be scared to fail. The legendary Scott Lawson, thank you very much for your time, sir. Because if you've got one or two subjects where you do really, really well, and the rest of them are average or the rest of them are poor, we think, so are you only going to work hard in the subjects you like? Are you only going to do well with the work I give you that you want to do? There's a clue here, guys. Successful people set big goals. Strange that, isn't it? So now is the time for you to take back control and take responsibility for your own learning. You decide. If you want to improve your self-worth, stop giving other people the calculator. If you leave it up to others to give you your value, price fluctuations will make you crazy. Friends and family are awesome and a very important part of our life, but in the end, the person who has to live in your skin is you, not them. Set your goals and set your standards, and as long as you make progress towards them, give yourself a cheer. And remember, if you want to improve your self-worth, stop giving other people the calculator. Whilst your time, energy and motivation is at its greatest, do the things you've been putting off doing first, the scary stuff, the stuff that's most important. Because that way, when everyone else's goal is getting harder to achieve, yours therefore can only get easier. If there is one thing that can help them with resilience, sticking at it, because you're all about endurance, you don't do the 100 metres. So what would help them with having a bad day?
If you're having a bad day, so the first thing you've got to do is you've got to find the right goal, and that goes right back to the start. You can find that goal, that thing that makes you really excited, maybe a little bit nervous, but when you think about achieving that goal, that big thing, it hopefully makes you smile.
I mean, if you have that as a study plan, you're going to do all right. If you do a little pyramid for each subject, you're going to do all right. So stop setting realistic and achievable steps. Start setting massive goals. Work out each step to be realistic and achievable, and you will succeed. And I can remember having friends in high school who I really wanted to hang around with them. I stayed well away from them, and I missed the people in the middle who I should have hung around with. Because the truth is that if you work on the 90% of people in your life, you actually get 95 because they're going to love you anyway.